In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy and sell altcoins on UniSwap. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to make inside the UniSwap app so you can confidently purchase and sell altcoins while understanding what you're seeing on screen and how to avoid common mistakes. Start by opening the UniSwap app in your browser. Make sure you're on the official site and that your wallet is on the correct network for the token you plan to trade. If the app prompts you to connect a wallet, follow the instructions in your wallet window and never share recovery phrases with any website. Once the app loads, click Trade. This opens the trading interface where you can switch between buying and selling. Next, click Buy to enter the purchase flow. You'll see a panel where you can specify how much you want to spend. Enter the amount you'd like. Depending on your setup, you may see options for paying with the crypto in your wallet or through on-ramp partners. Keep an eye on estimated fees and the final total before you proceed. Now select a token. You can search by name, but for newer altcoins, it's safer to paste the token's contract address from a reputable source to avoid lookalikes. Review the token symbol and decimals to ensure it matches what you expect. When everything looks correct, click Continue. You'll see a quote with the expected output, fees, and any slippage assumptions. Quotes can update as prices move, so confirm the details, then follow the prompts to finalize the purchase in your wallet or on-ramp flow. To sell, return to the same interface and click Sell. This switches you to the selling panel. Enter the amount of the token you want to sell. If it's your first time selling that token, your wallet may ask for a one-time approval so UniSwap can access it. Approve that before proceeding with the actual sale. Next, click ETH in the Receive field if you want to change what you're receiving. By default, it may show ETH, but you can choose another token if you prefer. Select a token from the list or paste a contract address and verify you've picked the correct one. Click Continue. Review the route, minimum received, price impact, and estimated gas fees. If everything looks good, confirm the transaction in your wallet. After it's submitted, wait for confirmation. Your updated balances will appear in your wallet once the transaction is finalized. That's it. You've learned how to buy and sell altcoins on UniSwap, review quotes and fees, and safely choose tokens. Trade carefully, keep a small buffer of ETH for gas, and always double-check token details before you proceed.